Hi students, this is T. Balakrishna, Chemistry Lecture, GPT Kothagudem. Today our topic is Lewis theory of acids and bases. G. and Lewis in 1923 proposed a new concept of acids and bases based on the electronic theory of valency. According to this theory, the definition of acid is a chemical substance that can accept a pair of electron and form coordinate covalent bond is called acid. A chemical substance that can accept a pair of electrons and form coordinate covalent bond is called acid. The definition of the base according to the Lewis theory of acids and bases is a chemical substance that can donate a pair of electrons and form coordinate covalent bond is called base. I try to explain. We already learned the topic coordinate covalent bond in first chapter. Coordinate covalent bond. What is the definition of coordinate covalent bond? The pair of electron is shared by both the atoms or molecule, but the pair of electrons are contributed by the one of the atom or molecule which are participate in the bond. That is called coordinate covalent bond. Gurtunda coordinate covalent bond first chapter lo నేర్చుకున్నాం coordinate covalent bond. Example నేర్చుకున్నాం ammonia NH3. The structure of ammonia and boron trifluoride ఇలా నేర్చుకున్నాం F. It is electron deficiency molecule. It ready to accept the pair of electron. Only 6 electrons 1 2 3 4 5 6 ready to gain the 2 electron, one pair of electron to attain the stability or obey the octet electron configuration. So in this case here ammonia is contribute the pair of electron. That pair of electrons are shared by both the molecules. This is an ammonia. This is boron trifluoride. Okay, the ammonia is contribute the pair of electron. That pair of electrons are shared by both the molecules. This is represented by the arrow mark. This arrow mark is represented from donor to acceptor. This is NH3 arrow BF3. Is clear? So in this example, which is donate the pair of electron? Ammonia is donate the pair of electron, and it's not donating, it contribute the pair of electron. That electrons are shared by both the molecules. So here ammonia is donate the pair of electrons. Okay, so according to the definition, ammonia is base. So the chemical substance which can accept the pair of electron is called acid. So here boron trifluoride is ready to accept the pair of electron and form coordinate covalent bond. So boron trifluoride is an acid. So in your textbook it represented as N plus boron. So A plus boron. A have a pair of electron, B have electron. B is a electron deficiency molecule. So here A is donate the pair of electron. That electrons are shared by B. So A is a donor, B is the acceptor. This arrow mark represents the coordinate covalent bond. In this coordinate covalent bond, which is donate the pair of electron, that is base, which is accept the pair of electron, that is an acid. So now I repeat the definition according to the Lewis theory. The definition of acid is the chemical species or substance that can accept the pair of electron and form coordinate covalent bond is called acid. So in this example, boron trifluoride is ready to accept the pair of electrons, so it is an acid. The chemical substance that species that can donate a pair of electron and form coordinate covalent bond is called base. So in this example, ammonia is ready to donate or contribute the pair of electrons, so that is base. So in this, according to the definition, the neutralization reaction or salt is defined as The addition product formed by the reaction of acid and base is called salt. According to this definition, the salt is defined as the addition product the addition product the addition product formed by the reaction of acid and base. The addition product is formed by the reaction of acid and base is called salt. That is the definition of acid, base and salt according to the Lewis theory of acids and bases. Next one, the types of acids and bases. Lewis acids are divided into 4 types. One is the simple cations. So which atom carry the positive charge? That ions are act as the Lewis acids because they have electron deficiency. They are ready to accept the pair of electrons. So which is ready to accept the pair of electron? That ions or molecules are act as a Lewis acid. So all the cations, simple cations like H plus, Na plus, Mg plus 2, Fe plus 2, Fe plus 3 are act as a Lewis acids. The second type, the molecules which central atom has incomplete octet electron configuration. They are also called as electron deficiency molecules. We already learned in previous part, boron trifluoride, the central atom have only 6 electrons. They are ready to accept the pair of electron to obey the octet rule. So such type of molecules BF3, BCl3, AlCl3 not have 8 electrons in outermost of the central atom, not have 8 electrons in outermost of it. So they are ready to accept the pair of electrons. So all the electron deficiency molecules are act as a Lewis acids. Next one, the molecules in which central atom can extend the octet, that means more than 8 electrons. The central atom have more than 8 electrons in outermost orbits. They are also act as a Lewis acids. The molecule containing double bond between the heteroatoms. Double bond between the heteroatoms. Take one example, CO2. Take one example, CO2. The structure of CO2 is C double bond O, double bond O, S double bond O, S double bond O. So which molecule have double bond between the heteroatoms? That means different atoms. ఏ మాలిక్యూల్లో అయితే డిఫరెంట్ ఆటమ్స్ మధ్య డబుల్ బాండ్ ఉంటుందో అటువంటి మాలిక్యూల్స్ అన్నీ కూడా లూయిస్ యాసిడ్స్గా వర్క్ చేస్తాయి. అటువంటి అన్నీ కూడా లూయిస్ యాసిడ్స్గా వర్క్ చేస్తాయి. ఐ రిపీట్ ద టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ లూయిస్ యాసిడ్, ద సింపుల్ cations which carry the positive charge and electron deficiency molecules, and the atom can extend octet electron configuration, the molecule containing double bond between the heteroatoms or act as a Lewis acids. Next concept, Lewis bases. All the cations are act as a Lewis acids. All the anions, the atom or molecule which carry the negative charge, that are called anions. So all negative ions or anions are act as a Lewis bases. Okay, the molecule containing one or more lone pair of electrons are act as a Lewis bases. We already learned ammonia. Ammonia is this, so it has one lone pair of electron. So it's ready to donate a pair of electrons. So which molecule have at least one lone pair of electron? That lone pair of electron is donated. Here we have some example. Water molecule RNH3 also have a lone pair of electrons. What is the structure of water molecule? O H H. This is structure. It have two lone pair of electrons. So it have lone pair of electrons, is ready to contribute the pair of electrons. This is H2O structure. It has lone pair of electrons. So which molecule have lone pair of electrons like RNH3? See, in RNH3, this NH3 have lone pair of electron. So ROH, it have one lone pair of electron. So at least one lone pair of electron, they are ready to donate a pair of electrons. So which is donate a pair of electron and form coordinate covalent bond is called base. So the molecule containing one or more lone pair of electrons, they act as Lewis bases. The molecule having multiple bonds between the carbon atoms, uh, that is like alkenes and alkynes. We know the alkenes, the double bond between the carbon atom, that is called alkene. Alkyne means double bond between, triple bond between the carbon, that is called alkynes. You take example ethylene. That is the structure of ethylene: CH2 double bond CH2. CH2 double bond CH. So here the double bond between the two carbon atoms. So the molecule having a multiple bond between the carbon atom that are act as a Lewis bases. The double bond between the heteroatoms is called Lewis acids. The double bond between the carbon atoms is called is act as a Lewis bases. Next topic is limitations of Lewis theory. This theory failed to explain the strength of acids and bases. Strength of acids and bases. What is the definition of acid according to this theory? The chemical substance which can accept the pair of electron and form coordinate covalent bond is called acid. So in this covalent bond, only one pair of electron is shared between the molecules. There is no chance to share more than one pair of electrons. So there is no chance to explain the strength of acids. So here this theory failed to explain the strength of acids and bases. Generally acid base reactions are fast reaction, but Lewis acid base reactions are slow reaction. Acid base reactions చాలా fast గా ఉంటాయి, కానీ Lewis acid base reaction చాలా slow గా ఉంటాయి. It could not explain the neutralization of simple acids bases which do not involve the coordinate covalent bond formation. According to this theory, neutralization reaction means what is the definition of neutralization reaction? The pair of electron transfer from base to acid and they form coordinate covalent bond. That is a neutralization reaction. In some reactions like HCl plus NaOH, it produces NaCl plus H2O. It is also neutralization reaction, but according to this theory, it is not a neutralization reaction. That means it failed to explain the simple acid-base neutralization reactions. Next, acid such as HCl, H2SO4 cannot form coordinate covalent bond with bases, which is essential for this theory. సో ఇప్పుడు చెప్పిన థియరీ ప్రకారం HCl, H2SO4 లాంటి బేస్తో రియాక్షన్లో పార్టిసిపేట్ చేస్తాయి, కానీ ఈ థియరీ ప్రకారం వాటిని పార్టిసిపేట్ చేసే అవకాశం లేదు. ఎందుకంటే పేర్ ఆఫ్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ అయితేనే దాన్ని న్యూట్రలైజేషన్ రియాక్షన్ అంటాం, దాన్ని యాసిడ్ బేస్ రియాక్షన్ అంటాం. నెక్స్ట్, ఇన్ మోస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ది కేసెస్ వెన్ ద కెమిస్ట్ స్పీక్స్ అన్ యాసిడ్ బేస్ ఈ యూజ్డ్ ద టర్మ్ ఆఫ్ అర్హీనియస్ కాన్సెప్ట్. మనం ఇంతవరకు అర్హీనియస్ థియరీ ఆఫ్ యాసిడ్ అండ్ బేసెస్, బ్రౌస్టర్ థియరీ ఆఫ్ యాసిడ్ అండ్ బేసెస్, లూయిస్ థియరీ ఆఫ్ యాసిడ్ అండ్ బేసెస్ నేర్చుకున్నాం, కానీ మ్యాక్సిమం కెమిస్టులు అందరూ కూడా కెమిస్ట్రీ సబ్జెక్ట్లో యాసిడ్ బేస్ అనగానే అర్హీనియస్ కాన్సెప్ట్ మాత్రమే బేస్లోకి తీసుకుంటాం. దిస్ ఈజ్ లూయిస్ థియరీ ఆఫ్ యాసిడ్స్ అండ్ bases. Thank you students. This is T. Balakrishna, chemistry lecturer, GPT Kothagudem. Thank you.